Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Higher Mathematics, Chapter name Equation, Exercise 5.2, Lecture 1. Today's lesson to solve the problems. Equations involving radicals. Radicals mean related to square root. Okay. In an equation, the quantities with a variable involving a square root sign are freed from the square root sign by squaring, and a new equation is obtained. All the roots of the equation thus obtained don't satisfy the given equation, and these are the extraneous roots. That means a quantity does not satisfy a equation. This is the extraneous roots that are important in CQ. You have to remember. Okay. Therefore, the roots of the equation involving the radical sign are to be tested to know whether they satisfy the given equation or not. After test, those who satisfy the given equation are the roots of the equation. Now follow some examples are given below. Example number 5, solve square root over 8x plus 9 minus square root over 2x plus 15. This equal to square root over 2x minus 6. Solution. This is a given condition, and here this convert into right side. Then we can write in arrange, that's mean right side take in left side, no problem, and left part we convert right side, no problem. So as here is minus, after converting this into right, that will be plus. So here will be plus, and this convert into right side. Okay, that's mean at first this convert into right side, so right side all will be plus and also left side plus. Then we can write first left side. That's mean right side right in left side, and right left side right in right side. Okay, now squaring on both sides. As a result, here will be a plus b whole square, and here only will be 8x plus 9. A plus b whole square mean a square, a mean total part, that's mean 2x plus 15, that's mean e square and square roots will be only this, and also square of this will get 2x minus 6, and 2ab, 2a mean this, b mean this equal to right side. Now calculating, here will be this mean 2x and 2x, that is equal to 4x, but right side 8x. So when we will convert this into right side, there will be 4x, and also 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9. So 9 and this 9 cut, and here is, as here is 2, so dividing on both sides by 2 we will get here this, that's mean only this part other than 2, and right side will be 4x divided by 2, that's mean 2x. Again squaring on both sides, here will be only this part and here will be only this part, you know, because square root and square we can omit. Okay, right side will be 4x square. Now calculate, we will get here 4x square plus 18x minus 90, this equal to 4x square. Both side 4x square cut, so 18x, this equal to 90, therefore x is equal to 5. Verification. After putting the value of x in this equation, left side will be 2 and right side also will be 2. So 5 is the required solution of this equation. Clear everyone? Now 6 number, same math. This is a given condition. Okay, now this convert into right side, here will be plus and here will be minus. Now squaring on both sides, here will be 2x plus 8 and here will be 4 into x plus 5 plus 4 minus 8 into square root over x plus 5. Just calculation, and finally we will get this. Again by squaring on both sides we will get this. Just calculation. Okay, and I think everybody will easily understand. Here also 16x plus 80, this equal to x square plus 16x plus 64, or x square this equal to 16, therefore x is equal to plus minus 4. As here is square, so root will be 2, one is plus 4 and another one is minus 4. Now verification, for x is equal to 4, left side will be 0 equal to right side, and for x equal to minus 4, left side equal to 0, this equal to right side. So the required solution, x is equal to 4 and minus 4. Okay, 7 number, same as before, math just calculation. Okay, no need to convert this into right side, that's this is a given condition, and squaring on both sides will get 2x plus 9, here will be x minus 4, and here minus 2 into ab, a is equal to this, b is equal to this, same. Okay, just follow, right side will be x plus 1. After calculating, we'll get square root over this into square root over this equal to x plus 2, again by squaring we'll get this. Okay, and finally we'll get x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 5. Now verification, for x is equal to 8, left side this equal to 3, right side also 3, therefore x is equal to 8 is a root of the given equation. Again x is equal to minus 5 is not acceptable, because putting x to the minus 5, each term becomes square root of a negative number which is not defined. So here will be only x is equal to 8, that is a required solution of this equation. Now follow 8 number, this is a given condition. Solution, square root over 2 convert into left side, and square root over this convert into right side. Here after multiplication we will get x square minus 3x plus 2, and here square root over x square minus 7x plus 12. Now squaring on both sides we will get this. Okay, or x square minus 5x plus 6 this equal to 0, or x minus 20x minus 3 this equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. Now verification, for x is equal to 2, left side root 2 equal to right side, and x is equal to 3, left side root 2, also this equal to right hand side. So the required root are, or solution, x is equal to 2, 3. 9 number, here given square root over x square minus 6x plus 15 minus square root over x square minus 6x plus 13, this equal to square root over 10 minus square root over 8. This is a given condition. Let x square minus 6x plus 13 this equal to y, and x square minus 6x plus 13 this equal this equal to y. So this equal to, we can write x square minus 6x plus 13 plus 2. So x square minus 6x plus 13 this equal to y, and plus 2, here will be only square root over y, and right side will be same. Okay, now this converted to left side and this converted to right side. Now squaring on both sides we will get this. Here use a plus b whole square formula. Now this equal to this, by again squaring, 2y is equal to 16 and y is equal to 8. But y is equal, here x square minus 6x plus 13, as y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 13. This equal to 8. Now calculate this middle factor. So x is equal to 1, 5. For x is equal to 1, left hand side is equal to this also equal to right hand side, and for x is equal to 5, left hand side this equal to this, also this equal to right hand side. So the required solution, x is equal to 1, 5. Clear everyone? 10 number, most important, this is a given condition. Okay, now cube on both sides, as here is given 1 by 3, so we have to cube on both side. As a result, here will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We know this formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So cube mean 3 and 1 by 3 cut, here will be only 1 plus x, here will be 1 minus x, plus 3 into 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 into 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3. But this equal to what? This is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. Because this part and this part same. So this equal to, we can write 2 to the power 1 by 3. This equal to 2. Okay. Now 2 to cut, only will get 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. This equal to this. This converted to right side. Here will be 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 or 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3. Again, cubing on both sides, we will get 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1, when we will put x is equal to 1, left side and right side will be same. Also, when x is equal to minus 1, we will get left hand side and right hand side are same. So, x is equal to plus minus 1 are the required solution. Clear? So, the student, you will solve 1 up to 10 exercise 5.2 and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 6/6/2021, time 11 AM. Today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.